Hi guys, good morning. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kudrat. For people who are just coming across my video for the first time, if you are scouting for a fully funded opportunity in form of master's opportunities for your master's degree, for your bachelor's degree, for even PhD, and you want to study cost free, you need a fully funded opportunity, you are in the right place. Because on this channel, we've discussed, I'll say more than 300 fully funded opportunities. So I want to also appreciate everyone that are who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. Keeps me going, and that is why I'm motivated to do more. So this is to inform you that the University of Tuscia scholarship is currently open. Last year, for people who have been following my channel for so long, about a year, we started this YouTube channel in 2024, and last year I had some University of Tuscia scholars who have won this particular scholarship. I had three of them last year. I'll be attaching the video to this video before I upload. So I had a 2022 awardee, a 2023 awardee, and a 2024 awardee on a live session last year. So, like I always tell people, my content are evergreen. Every time you are ready to apply for one of the scholarship or many of the scholarship I've talked about with my guest, you can always go back to the video to watch and learn. So that is to tell you that the last year content is still valid. So if you watch the video, you will learn from a 2022 awardee, from a 2023 awardee, and from a 2024 awardee. And luckily for us, we have a current 2025 awardee who have who is currently studying in the university and who have shared this content with us. Thank you so much, Mariam. So, Mariam is studying this particular program, so it's currently open. This is the major focus of the video. And before I end the video, I'll be going through the application step with you from A to Z. So, if you've completed your bachelor's in forestry, in environmental science, or related field, and you think you want to go for this, so watch this video till the end. Also, before you start your application, I recommend you watch that uh, live session recording that was posted last year, where I had three consecutive years awardees. You learn a lot from them. I wish you the best with your application. So this is the official page. In the video description, I'll be sharing this link. So with the link, it will be very easy for you to start your application. Start early, and I wish you the best. So let me start with you now. So dear student, thank you for your interest in studying at Tuscia University. I will be glad to support you along the enrollment procedure. So this is for the 2026 to 2027 uh, session. So you need your passport, need your certificate, you need your English language proficiency proof or your proficiency letter. This is one of the opportunities that accept proficiency letter. So guys, go for it, go for it. So if you are eligible, there will be an interview later. So you'll be receiving the date and time in your email. Like I tell people, ensure you marry your email address. You marry your email inbox and spam folder after submitting your scholarship application. And I wish you the best. So I'll be using the email address attached to my YouTube channel for this. So record. So next, I hope I'm sharing this. Yes, sharing. So my name is Kudrat. So put your name, your family name, put in the right information, and agric forestry, so Yoruba at gmail.com. Make sure put the right email address, and that is exactly the email address they'll be sending the, so let's say 20, just click this, and the year where, no, click this. Okay, the year is right here. I'm trying to change the year. You can also use your phone. Let's say 2000. Let's say I was born in 2000. Also, watch the video. If there is age limit, we've talked about everything. January 1st. Let's say I was born in January 1st, 2000. Place of birth. Let's say I was born in let's say I was born in Warri, Nigeria. Or you can even put the country. So I'm Nigerian. If you are Kenyan, put it there. And also you need to watch the video. They talked about all eligibility criteria. Before you start your application, have the right information first. That's the first step to winning. So your passport, I've prepared a document I'll be attaching for all this because I'll not be able to go through. So for you, this is a good content for you to watch before you start your application so that you know what you really need to complete your application. And interestingly, you have to start and finish the application once. So this is a very good content for you. So I'll be attaching the file now. So I'm going to the next page. So entry qualification, study forestry. I graduated in 2024. Let me just use all this information. University, let me say I graduated from University of Ibadan. Say that. So upload your certificate. I'll be attaching the document prepared for that. I'll be attaching the same document for transcript, and then I'll talk about grading scale shortly. So for your grading scale, it is right there on your transcript. So I'm on the next page now. What is your CGPA? Maybe I graduated with 4.00. The minimum is 1.50. And the maximum in Nigeria, in some universities in Nigeria, but in UI it is 4.0. Maybe I have a perfect CGPA. Let's see that. I wish. I wish I have that. So certify your skill. If I'm using an IELTS or TOEFL, I'll be selecting this. But if I'm claiming that I have studied in English, which was my medium of instruction during my bachelor's, I'll be selecting this. So select and add your proof here. So after adding that, make sure you're adding the right information, the right document in PDF format. You can see supported file. So I'm on the next page now. Do not use AI systems for your motivation letter. My mentees know this already. No, you don't do that. So make sure you are not using AI for your writing. It's your story, write it well. So after writing, convert to PDF. I also talked about how you can easily do that in one of my recent videos. So make sure you write this even before you start your application. Get your CV ready, get your motivation letter ready. So I'll be attaching the same document I've prepared for the purpose of the video. So I'm moving to the next page. Were you previously admitted to this MSc? If yes, upload a PDF of your original admission. So if you applied last year and you did not get the scholarship, this is a question for you. For me, I did not apply last year, so I'm picking no. So if you apply last year, attach the admission letter. Maybe there will be preference attached to people who already gained admission last year. Please find your admission letter and attach. I wish you the best. So that is not a compulsory document to attach. So this is the final declaration. I declare that I hold a valid passport. I have a bachelor's degree. I meet the English language proficiency. I am ready for the university pre-enrollment procedure. I declare I have uploaded the right documents, authentic and officially issued. I declare that I am aware that incomplete documentation may result in rejection. I acknowledge that pre-evaluation does not imply automatic admission. I declare that I have the financial means to live and study in this for the period of okay, the financial means is my scholarship. So this is for admission first. I declare that I have read and understood the UNITO's regulations on tuition fees, contributions published on the university website. Make sure you read all this. And this is exactly everything you need to do before you finally submit your application. So download the self-declaration from here, complete it, sign and re-upload as a PDF format here, and then you submit your application. I wish you all the best. And before I upload this, I'll definitely be attaching the video where I discuss the scholarship in detail with 3 different awardees who have won this opportunity in 2022, 2023, and 2024. And thanks to the 2025 awardee for this information, for informing us about the opportunity so that so many people can also apply and win in 2026. So if you eventually win, ensure you reach out to us next year to share information also with prospective awardees. I wish you the best. And I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe before you go. If you've not, it's free. Just click the subscribe button. And thank you guys for sharing and for ensuring people who really need this information are getting reached with this information. Bye for now.